it's a new day and a new week also, and the first video on this new week which we are having on the XAUUSD. So right now we will be looking at the key factors on why the gold is making this movement. So you can see on the sanction on other countries from the United States, we got the movement and the tariff going up and up and up. So right now we'll be looking at if you're going to see a reverse on the gold back to the 2800, or the next target which you're going to see on the gold is the 2891 limit. Why do I say we're going to see a price to move above the 2891 limit? Because based on the horizontal line I've marked out, that means it shows us that we're going to see price to reach there. But fortunately, on the other hand, based on what happened on the past hour to hour on the gold, shows us that we got a little reverse. But for us to get a buy uptrend, we need to see price to move above of the all-time high. So right now, let's look at what I'm talking about. Okay, this was what I'm talking about. The horizontal line, we marked it out from this. We marked it out from this edge. We instruct to what? Strike to here to see if the gold can possibly break above here. The minimum for gold is the 2885 to 2891 points limit. So if you can be able to see price above of here, that means we are going to see a bullish a continuation, a bullish reject from that price or that zone. So right now, based on the hour 4 candle, and the hour 4 candle is still barely on a reversing momentum, so it's giving us what we call a reverse to hit back at this price. So for us to make a buy entry next, we wait because this candle happened yesterday, which is right here. So the buy entry which we are going to see again, we need to showcase above here. We need to showcase above it. But unfortunately for this, it doesn't seems like a buy entry because of what reasons, because every explanation have a reason. It doesn't seems like a buy entry because this candle doesn't move longer on it, so it's getting on a little retracement point above of the high of the sell which it took. So a breakout above this high of the sell which it took may go on a little bullish then drop to occur. But for us to see if the gold have been fully weak to go on a reverse on a sell, that means we'll be expecting a drop below this area. So we're expecting a drop below this area for us to sell the gold. So below this area gives us a very big opportunity that the XAUUSD is now in a weak zone to go on a sell. But for us to confirm this, we need to follow with the hour 1 time frame candle. The hour 1 candle needs to close below this zone to continue the bearish. Listen again, the hour 1 time frame needs to close below this zone before we can be able to do what to sell. So below here we got a hour 1, before we sell. So if the hour 1 makes a drop below here and reverse, we cannot enter until the hour 1 candle is closed. And for the hour 1 candle to close, it need to close below of it or is a may drop at the horizontal line for us to know that the sell is already what a confirm to sell. Then we are wait for here any reverse above this all-time high. That means that the gold is now bullish, which we take as the memento above 2885 to 2891. So this is what we'll be looking at today on the go. So let's check on the main 30 time frame. The main 30 time frame is on a back to back rectangular. So it's on a back to back rectangular, which means that there's a possibility for a drop to happen because it doesn't want to fulfill what I was expecting it to fulfill. But we'll be looking ahead of it to see if the gold will fulfill the sell. The minute 15 time frame. The minute 15 time frame is trying to hold stronger on the what the buy which it have. So the minute 5 time frame. The minute 5 time frame is pulling back also. So we'll be looking at the hour one candle. So this is our one candle which we'll be looking at. So based on what we are waiting for, there are one candle right here. We are expecting a buy, but this buy is going to be a short buy on it. The buy is going to be a short buy on it. So 91. Okay, 91. This is what we're getting it on the one time frame. From here, it broke out here, it's going to the 91 limits. But if it fails to go there, that means that there were one, we'll be expecting a drop starting from here to come. So we'll be waiting for it from here to come. So our expectation on this is going to be below here and more to come. So the gold is going to fall on a flat. So it's going to fall on a flat. So this is what we'll be expecting for today on the gold. It's either we got a bullish from here on above the all-time high. So from there we are getting it to the 2891 from above the all-time high, but a drop below this before the hour one close, before below this horizontal line, that means that the gold is full bearish. So let's see how it goes today and stay put on the next analysis and join my TG. So this is my TG, so join it so we'll see how it goes daily.